Cloud Opus is now capable of replacing financial workers. This particular agentic market is going to grow up to $47 billion or even more by 2030. And these startups don't just offer you 10-20,000 rupees per month, but offer 15-20 lakh rupees as a fresh AI agent developer is the hottest role of 2026 and nobody's talking about it. Companies are paying 25 to 40 lakh rupees for fresher positions of people who have less than 1 year of experience, but most of the people are not even aware about it. At Microsoft, I built AI agents, I built AI orchestration workflows to support productivity, and today I will tell you how you can become an AI agent developer in 2026. What are the skills you need? What are AI agents? What are the companies you can apply for? Salaries you can expect, and from where you can study, and that too completely for free. AI agents are not chatbots. Chatbots simply respond to your prompts just like ChatGPT, but AI agents interact with their environment, take in constraints, and then adapt with the environment to achieve goals. When I say environment, AI agents interact with other agents, databases, other tools, and a LLM itself. For example, a customer support agent, you might have used Zomato, Swiggy, in which you get that support agent initially. Most of the times, it is an AI agent which interact with the knowledge base it has and answer your queries. And if nothing works out, it transfers that signal to the right human agent. Now, why exactly these AI agent developer roles is exploding? You recently might have heard about Cloud Opus. Cloud Opus is now capable of replacing financial workers. They have built an agent which can replace financial workers, HRs, and so on and so forth. So there is a shortage of these kind of employees and there is no supply, very less supply. Secondly, it can impact all kinds of industries. Third, this particular agentic market is going to grow up to $47 billion or even more by 2030. So $47 billion is a very big number, and there is going to be a lot of traction in this particular role. And the most crucial reason is they are not just chatbots. These are actual workflows. They control the workflow and able to achieve the goals by learning on the go, interacting with their environment, and provide the desirable goal. Now, the biggest misconception everyone has right now is freshers are not getting this role, this AI related role. There's a small caveat to it. Big companies are not offering freshers the roles related to AI agents or AI, but startups are open if you have the right skills, if you have shown your experience online already, if you're building in public. And these startups don't just offer you 10-20,000 rupees per month, but offer 15-20 lakh rupees as a fresher. If you have less than 1 year experience, you are eligible for these roles. Now, the best website to find these startups is Wellfound, LinkedIn, and Work at a Startup by Y Combinator. These are the places where you find most of the startups who are raising funding. And if you go on Y Combinator, you will see maximum startups are into AI space. So whenever they raise funds, you kind of reach out to them, show your experience, show your work, and that's your chance. The basic and the most important skill is having Python knowledge, but including async programming and object-oriented programming concept. That is very important because in production, where you build quality code, you just not write something for your school project. Second is LLMs, how they work, the capabilities, the optimizations, and obviously the LLMs available in the market, OpenAI, Claude, Gemini. Third is agent framework. Since you have already learned fundamentals, you should jump onto Creo AI, LangChain, Autogen, and many more. The advanced prompt engineering part, where you have to understand chain of thoughts, sequential thinking, followed by tool integration, databases, APIs, web scraping, memory management. And once everyone reaches till this point, they tend to fail because the next step is the most important, that is multi-agent framework or AI orchestration. That is the skill of the future. How agents actually collaborate, handle failures, and optimize workflows. And the most crucial part, deployment and monitoring. But for a fresher or someone who has not experienced this particular domain, you have to gain certifications, you have to build projects, you have to deploy things in production. So the first course which I found for you is, if you're a beginner, make sure you do the Building the AI Agents or AI Agents for Beginners by Microsoft. It's a video tutorial course, completely free, available on the internet. I've shared the link in the description. The course 2 is Agentic AI by Deep Learning AI, and you will be taught by Andrew Ng. You will gain hands-on and practical understanding of building AI agents. It will cover LangChain, LangGraph, multi-agent systems also. Now, third is ADK Crash Course by Google, Now Google has released their own kit, just like the Android SDK. They have released this ADK with which you can build AI agents for production. Now imagine company like Google have built this ADK, so obviously big tech company will be using this, and if you have this skill in your resume, you are going to get the benefit. Fourth, if you are into AI ML, you should have learned about Hugging Face. And Hugging Face recently announced AI Agents course, which is completely free, and once you complete it, you will also get a free certification which you can display on LinkedIn and get visibility. And fifth, a very popular tool, LangChain Academy has announced their Deep Agents course, which you can complete free to enroll and complete and share it across on your social media. One more thing I would like to, if you're watching till here, AI agent developer is just one role which is exploding in 2026. There are other roles also, 3-4 more roles. If you want me to cover the complete roadmap with free resources, let me know in the comment. I will cover those also in the upcoming videos. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you still have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and I've shared all the links to these courses and resources in the description below. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.